Why? Why does this Air Jordan continue to skyrocket in price? Why is this sneaker so sought after, have so much demand? It was a general release and they're skyrocketing up in price. In this video, we're going to talk about this Air Jordan that I was able to grab on a restock about a month or two ago. I am very shocked, and I'm sure a lot of you are shocked as well, with this Air Jordan just skyrocketing, continuing to skyrocket in price. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys are shocked about this. We're going to get into this news. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me. Hit that subscribe button because we're about to hit 100,000 subscribers. We're like 1,500 away. So please make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for me at 100,000 subscribers. I'm going to do a $500 cash giveaway. To enter this giveaway, make sure you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button, get me to 100,000 subscribers, of course, and then follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. I'll have it linked down below in the description for you. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof, a DM with proof that you guys subscribed here to my YouTube channel. Good luck on the giveaway, 100,000 subscribers. We're around the corner from it. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. Now, let's talk about this sneaker skyrocketing up in price, because this shocks me so much. It truly does, because we saw this sneaker release multiple times. It's retroed a handful of times, and never to this extent have we seen the resale out the gate be what it was, and then just a few months later skyrocket to what they have. We've never seen this retro do this before, and I think it could be because of maybe 2 to 3 different reasons. We'll get into it, but I want you guys to let me know what you think down below. Let's get into it. Let's get into this. I'm very excited because I was able to grab these on a restock. I want to say from Snipes, some online retailer, like a month, maybe 2 months back now. It's been a little bit, but I did get my personal size 11 for this one. And I did pay retail, which was a blessing at this point, because they're $400 plus sneakers now, touching like $420, $450, depending where you go, maybe even $500. The Air Jordan 5 metallic black reimagined. Absolutely insane what we're seeing going on with this sneaker. Bigger sizes are worth more money. If you're like a size 8, 8.5, 9, it'll be under $400, or maybe with the fees and everything right around that $400 price point. But bigger sizes, you're looking at damn near a $500 sneaker, which is absolutely ridiculous and insane in my opinion for the metallic black 5s, black metallic 5s. We've never seen metallic 5s been this much money, like, ever as a retro. So to see them at this price point, to me, is astounding, shocking. I guess maybe the laces, you put some white laces in it and it just pops, because this is how Michael Jordan actually wore them. Every retro, besides this one, they came with black laces on them. They do come with the black, but they never came with white. Now we got the white officially on them, along with the piping, which, you know, does stand out. And it does make the whole shoe pop, the piping. You have all the leather just sticking out with all the extra white parts. So maybe that's what's helping it as well. The Nike Air, I don't think it's truly helping it so much go up in price like that, because we've had Nike Air on the 2016 retro, as well as I believe the 1999 retro of the Metallic 5, or the 2000 retro. But the thing about this one is it's not stitched. It is that like 3M material, basically, as the Nike Air. It's not stitched into that. So I don't think that's what's really doing it. Like I said, we've had Nike Air before. I guess maybe it's just the hype right now of, we haven't had a shoe go up in a long time, so maybe that's just doing it. I'm not sure, right? It's only been 2 major releases, I would say, that have actually been worth your time, money, and investment. These are definitely one. And the second one is obviously the brick by brick Air Jordan 4s. So other than that, nothing else has really been worth your time, money, worth holding and investing into. But these certainly were. If you got them at retail, absolutely. If you paid a little bit over retail, yeah. You know, even $80, $100 over retail right now, you know, you're doing well. You're doing well, which is crazy to say, because these are expensive. They really have skyrocketed up in price. Let me know what you guys think the reasoning for this is down below in the comments. I'm not entirely sure what the heck is going on. Why are these so much money? Now, this was a big GR. There was a lot of stock. However, we got reports, and it makes sense that they did cut stock down for some general releases. So I do think that has to do something with it, because they definitely made less of these than, say, the white cement 4s, or, you know, a lot of the recent retros, maybe some new upcoming retros. I'm sure there's less of these than, say, maybe less of the Grape 5s. I'm sure they made more Grape 5s than these, right? So maybe that has something to do with it, the stock numbers, because these weren't that easy to get. You had to put in your footwork. You truly did. You had to put in your footwork. I think the white cement 4s were a much easier release and easier shoe to cop than the metallic 5s were. You know, the fact that it's a reimagined, of course, is going to help it, I'm sure, when it comes to the resale, but the fact that they're so expensive is crazy, guys. You know, these are touching what Lost and Found prime hype was, if you think about it. Prime hype of the Lost and Founds is basically what metallic 5s are at. Right around the same price. You know, give or take 20, 30 bucks. Absolutely insane to think about. And yeah, it's crazy to see that these have actually gone up. I did not expect these to go up. I will admit I was wrong. I did not expect these to go up like they did. I truly did not. I figured they would stay around that $300 price point when they released, and for them to go up like they have, just crazy to see. A little mind-blowing to me. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Did you expect this sneaker to go up in price? Did you wear your pair? Do you own this sneaker? Are they brand new, dead stock still? Are you going to wear them? Are you going to invest in them? You know, use them as an investment piece, trade bait maybe? Let me know down below in the comments section what you guys are doing with your pairs of the Jordan 5 metallic black metallic reimagined. Absolutely a fire shoe. It's an OG. Michael Jordan wore it on the court and did a lot in them, so I understand the hype in that regard. It is an OG, so we did have a lot of OG heads come out for this release. As per usual, when like the white cement 4s, it's just one of those retros that, you know, everyone's going to come out to play for the most part. That truly wants them is going to be able to get them for the most part, because it's a big GR. But when it comes to this release, for some reason, they just have skyrocketed up in price. And I didn't see it coming. I'm sure a lot of you didn't see that coming either. If you guys haven't looked at the market, take a look at the prices. It's absolutely wild to see what has happened with the Air Jordan 5. It's crazy to see what's happened with these. It's wild. I was not expecting it. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about this? Let me know if you guys want me to maybe give away a pair. Maybe we can do that. I do want to do a sneaker giveaway. We are giving away a $500 cash prize to one of my subscribers when we hit 100,000 subscribers. We're like 1,500 away, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for me as well, and drop a comment. But I want to do a sneaker giveaway as well. So let me know what you guys want me to give away sneaker-wise. But yes, we're going to give away $500. So let's go ahead and hit 100,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for the love and support and changing my life. You guys have truly changed my life. And I have done other things, content creation now. That's why I've, slowed down on videos here on sneakers. But I'm still making videos and doing other things. Making, more life changes than ever before. I bought a house. So, yeah, just upgrading. And it's all because of what I learned here from YouTube, from you guys. And, yeah, just creating content, putting my head down, and just making videos, and learning. That's it. So I appreciate you guys so much for the love and support. Let me know what you guys think about the metallic 5s down below in the comments. And we're on the road, about to hit 100,000 subscribers, which is crazy to say. I cannot wait for that silver play button to get here. We got 1,500 subscribers more to go. I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. The Air Jordan 5. Black metallic. Reimagined is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like button, and let's hit 100,000 subscribers. We're almost there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. We out.